anything. Oh, yes we do, baby. Haha, it's more than I had about a week ago. Woo! Haha, yeah! It's gonna be a good day. Oh, I thought we were going underwater. Not yet, not yet. I thought maybe. Outside the dining car. Grocery market chain that's pretty popular. So what I'm doing right now is just again shopping for a couple of things I need for the next couple of days until I leave for Finland. Everything's so clean and organized. I know what I want to get, and it's going to last me a little while. So, Callie's Caviar. This is the best stuff to have. If you can find it, get it, you know. Caviar is being cheese, it's dill. Let's see, gold. Ooh. Extra Velkrot. It sounds like it's gonna be extra salty. Prices are kind of comparative to Danish crown, except kroner, and they do accept euros, but preferably Swedish krona. Depends what flavor you get. Okay, so I'll just get the Swedish. Alright, so we're going to do the price comparison. $2.26. That's pretty good. So I think that'll be reasonable and that'll last me. Get this size. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's different. Knäckebröd. Actually, that's the Turkish. It's still cheaper. Yeah. Okay. This is the guest kitchen. Okay. Awesome. Okay. And the nice thing about hostels is that usually there is a free section, and there's even free pasta, which I forgot when I was grocery shopping. I forgot about that because I've been in Airbnb the first time and the last time I'll be in an Airbnb. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna have a good, nice little smorgasbord. It's not cooking. Why is it not cooking? Okay, to do this. Okay. All right. Hey, look at this. I got a good smorgasbord going on. A couple different things. Awesome. I think I overdid it, but it's all good. It's all good. It's been kind of like a long day. I saved my appetite and totally worth it. Alright, here it goes. first evening in Stockholm, Sweden, Sweden. Amazing. Good morgon. Good, healthy and hearty. Sverige frukost. Swedish breakfast. Look at that. I get that every morning. I am the most happiest right now. It's a simple frukost. Absolutely wonderful.
An awesome, beautiful morning to start. Got a little late start. Oops. I was intending to get up early, so we're on a mission today. And for the next day, oh my gosh, today and tomorrow. Can you believe it? I only have two proper days to make this happen and show you all the free fun things you can do in Stockholm and still be able to travel and have a great time on a budget. So here it goes. So we're gonna see how many free things I can do today, which I got a handful. These little guides are pretty cool. So as far as for free stuff to do, you can get your exercise. Just say, for example, statue walk. And you just follow the card where it says, you know where you can go, and it says at least takes 1 hour. There you go. Free exercise. And your sightseeing. Especially when you're having a more fun at budget. They have a tech district for the techies. The parks, Bromma. Explore 10 castles. And lucky statue. Could use all the luck I can get. Lycka till. These are pretty neat. Kind of like hammocks, but they're swings. Oh, this is great. Oh, look at this. This is perfect. Let's get the drone going. We don't have anything. Oh, yes we do, baby. It's more than I had about a week ago. Woo! Yeah! So the two things I definitely want to do today, the lucky statue. Oh, Ellie. Oh yeah. Perfect for Halloween. Look at this. Lunch buffet. Buon ratto and sushi. Love sushi. Has a buffet, or anywhere that has a buffet, definitely is a great way for you to save while you're also traveling abroad or traveling on a budget. I feel like I just want to eat everything. Look at this. This is amazing. I think it's like flan. There's so much more ahead. Now we're gonna find the Lycka Pojkar. The lucky boy. Look at this. What I stumbled upon. Tourist alley. This is where they get your money. Look at that. That's a whole tub of Nutella. Just give me the whole tub of Nutella and a spoon and I'll be out of your way for a little while. For a long while. Can we find Ma Voodoo's trolls? Yes, we can. What do you know? We found them. This has become like a mixed mission here. Where is this? So I'm close. Okay. Uh-oh. So I'm going a little further away. So let's fix that. Wow. If you want to go on the ghost walk, there's the details. No need to book cash only. Let's check it out. I guess I took some heck of a shortcut. Okay. Am I going away? Am I going to? No, I'm getting farther away. Getting there. It's probably this go den vägen. kind of feel like I went down the wrong way. Ah, yeah. Here we go. Nobel Museum. Wow. Okay, so either I'm close. You know, so much for 6 minutes away. Okay, it looks like we're getting closer. Let's see if I'm close. Oh, yes, yes, yeah. Go down there.
Вот королевский герб на этом самом.
Wow, stumbled into that one. I kept circling because it's the Finnish graveyard. Okay, I'm going to find it. So, okay, it's this way. Well, it's, but you can't go through that way. It's very colorful. Wait a second. I got this. I think I know where I went wrong. I think you gotta go straight. Now, let me try it this way. I think I already went here though. It's like I keep getting close and then I keep walking away from it and I'm just really annoyed. I'm very determined to find this. It's like I feel like I keep going around it. Hey, can you tell me? I keep walking around in circles. I know I'm close.
Yeah. Let's see if we can show you this on the map.
Yeah, because I was using the Google GPS.
It's I know it's down there and to the left, and it's one of the streets on the right hand side, but I just can't remember which one of them it is. But if you go just down here
Okay.
and up to the left,
Okay.
and it's somewhere on the right hand side.
Okay. All right. Talk. The thing is, he's so small. I probably missed it like 30 times already.
One frustrating hour later.
This is a yard. So right, and then maybe, kinda. Ah. Finally, after circling about 5 times, got close finally. And it's called the Lucky Statue. The boy looking up at the moon. And it's like a wishing statue. So they just have class going through. It's just in all about the different coins and currency that are sitting there. But now it's my turn to make the wish. My turn. So here it goes. The statue was created and erected by Lise Eriksson in 1967 is what they say, and it's called Yarnpojke, and it's made out of iron, and those are all people's wishes. You know, a little wishing rock too.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.
Spirit, yeah. Strike, battle. The hell of battlefield.